Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So friends, today in this video we are seeing the latest kitchen backsplash design ideas for 2024. So friends, when it comes to the kitchen design, the backsplash is one of the most important element. A child's kitchen is backsplash. It's not only added style touch of your kitchen and but also serves as practical purpose. It serves as shield from water, grease and food splatters that can discolor your walls and create unsightly mesh. Tiles are ideal material for kitchen backsplashes since they are durable and waterproof and easy to clean. Tiles comes in variety of shapes, sizes and colors and textures. So you can customize to your kitchen to fit your personal style. You can even mix and match different tiles to create unique look. Tiles are great for creating focal point in your kitchen. Whatever you choose, future pattern tiles or stick of single color. You can use the tiles backsplash to create beautiful accent wall in your kitchen. You can also use tiles for frame windows, even border around your countertops. Another great advantages of tile backsplashes is that relatively to install. You can try to do it yourself. You do not see it's possible to you can hire. Backsplash in the kitchen is the space between the cabinets and countertops on the wall. It's essential element in the kitchen. It's protect the wall from grease, water damage, oil damage, smoke and stains. It's also added details to the aesthetic background of the kitchen. Creating your kitchen backsplash is not just fun, protect and but save your money. And although it's not the most uncomplicated labor, it is manageable through proper guidance and knowledge. So, kitchen remodeling is no shape from easy to hassle free, but with creating your kitchen backsplash is not just fun. This project but saves your money, and although it's not just most uncomplicated labor, it is manageable through proper guidance and knowledge. Kitchen remodeling is no shape or from easy to hassle free, but with the proper guidance, even most clueless and create their kitchen backsplash. The guidelines from interior designer helps with the best from the remodeling furniture in any room. Interior designers are best suited to advise your remodeling issues and decor. So here are all the materials required to create kitchen backsplash. Start with buying backsplash tiles or granite or floor tiles for your kitchen. The patterns and styles are up to you. What your interior design deems fit for your kitchen. The tiles or river preferable. Washable and sustainable can be the same the rest of the kitchen or somewhat different so that catches attention in the best way to does not sick and clean the area if there is a residue of previously installed tiles or wallpapers that area. Take those out of this proper blank canvas for your work on the wall space. Step 2. Adjust the tiles to fit measure the area that you are planning to put your tiles on. Let's take all your measuring equipment and drill down to the area measurement. Use the tile cutter to cut the shape of the size required. Arrange the necessary size and adjust to fit in the kitchen outlets and electrical sockets if any. Step 3. Install the tiles. First off, prepare the round of work by applying advice on the wall, using notcher trowels and following proper guidance of reliable and smoothly place your tiles to fit perfectly and make sure that is grip is firm. Otherwise, use more advice till you are assured if you want fall off. In cases of uneven gaps, use to the plastic shaper of line your tiles is properly. And step 4, use the grout to finish off your tilings. After at least 24 hours, apply the grout on the tiles. Clean the tiles with a damp sponge to make sure the tiles are clean. Mix grout to achieve perfect consistency for the mention to the package of your manufacturer. And they apply layer of grout safely within the tiles and make it sure it does not get off the countertops. Ensure that grout mixtures is not just enough use with the next 20 minutes as the grout dries faster. And damp cloth or sponge if clean dry to the grout after about 10 minutes. Apply the mixture, use commercial and it's dry. A backsplash in the kitchen is a space between the cabinets and countertops on the wall. It is essential element in the kitchen as it protect the wall from grease, water damage and oil damage, smoke and stains. It's also added details to the aesthetic background of the kitchen. Creating your kitchen is backsplash is not just fun protect. Tiles are ideal material for kitchen backsplashes since they are durable and waterproof and easy to clean. Tiles comes in variety of shapes, sizes and colors and textures. So you can customize to your kitchen to fit your personal style. You can even mix and match different tiles to create unique look. Tiles are great